We have some juicy information for the Metamask Airdrop. Why? Well, aside from what the mobile app was, they have some new important updates in terms of the rewards compared to the token, which they have announced on their Metamask. So with that said, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And make sure to go and utilize the code that you see on the screen now to go and get your Metamask reward. Why? Because this code will give you, it's a participation code, and it will give you the retroactive points. If you are an OG user of MetaMask, if you did use MetaMask in the past, by using this code, it's kind of like a welcoming bonus for all the OG users. So make sure to go and use it. The MetaMask rewards are built differently, as we see here. Tokens will be much bigger. But before we go into that, I want to let you know there is a 50% future bonus for you all on Wix. Wix is a non-KYC exchange in case you want to go and trade into an exchange as well and not just perpetual DEX. And you want to make a bit of free money. If you deposit $100, you get $50 for free by simply holding there for 3 days. So I will leave the link down below. Go make some free money. Take out the $100 that you deposited initially and then go and trade with $50 for free, $50 for free. But next up, also an important update over on Pacifica, which we did talk about a lot in the past. And as we see here, the points are even crazier. We are approaching TG. The points now are 10 million per week. That is 20x points per week given out to you. So it is time to go and farm. Everything has been doubled to, as we see here, your points have been doubled, so let me know your total points allocation down below. I do have 8,428, and yes, I am still trading on it. As we see here, I have a high position long with the take profit of $50 that we just touched. We have done a little bit of a come down, and I do believe that we are going to go up and touch it again between today and tomorrow. So I am long on hype. And by the way, if you want to get all of my calls, you can come and join my trading channel. It is free to join. The link will be down below. And here I share every action that I take, long, short, why, technical analysis, photos, video, graphs, everything that you need, I will share it there. So link will be down below, but come and join Pacifica. And one thing important for Pacifica, being non-KYC, you can actually go and open 10 different accounts and not trying to aim for one account at the top levels, but instead farm points with like 5 different accounts and simply go crazy on it and have 5 different wallets eligible for the airdrop, which I would suggest you to go and do it. So the link will be down below. Make sure to go and farm and make sure to go and operate now on Pacifica as well as on Hype, because, well, super simple. As we see here, I do have 2 positions open on Hype, one on Gravity, one Hype long and one Link long. But why do I say that? Well, Gravity, just like Pacifica, is very simple. Trading volume is the most important thing that you can do. You need to push your transaction on trading volume, as much trading volume as you can do, then see those $10, $20 profit after a 30 to 40 to 50x leverage. Take the profit, cover your gas fees, cover your fees, your trading fees, and then reopen again and do trading volume. Also open interest account. But one thing, why am I focused on these two? Well, Gravity, as we see here, and Pacifica are both above the 1 billion right now. They are the most underfarmed one. Gravity has about, last week, Gravity, which is super, super good. We can see this one, by the way, over on the Pacifica post. Again, that it is a reminder for you. Gravity, last week, they only gave out to the points to 9,000 traders. Let's go and see if I can find this one. It is right here. Here, 9,904 users received the point, which means it's extremely, extremely underfarmed, and you need to go and do it. However, they do 1.2 billion in a single day in trading volume, and they are growing. So I'm really, really focusing on Gravity. Gravity, again, is a non-KYC perpetual DEX. So you can go and do 2, 3, 4, 5 different protocols as there as well to go and farm 4 or 5 different wallets, which is absolutely crazy in terms of the wallet itself and the amount. And you can see here how good the volume is growing on Gravity, which is absolutely perfect. And there's so much under farm for it. And the same one, Pacifica. Pacifica probably has 25,000 users more or less that have the token. Actually, they did mention it before. I believe, no, it was another one, but it should be about 20,000 users over on Pacifica and only 10,000 on Gravity. And you understand that being one of those, it's way more convenient and way more profitable than being one of the many on Astro, one of the many on Lighter. So make sure to go and farm the points. We have this nice growth on Gravity consistently, as well as on Pacifica. I do want to emphasize it again and again and again. This is the daily growth on Pacifica, as well as the weekly, which is very nice to go and see. So make sure to go and trade there. The link will be down below and you are good to go. And trading volume and open interest are the most important things. So make sure to go and do it. I will not stress you enough to go and do it. Next up, we do have the MetaMask update. And what are we talking about? Well, as we see here from the business developer itself, Michael, here, the MetaMask rewards are the MetaMask token are two separate things. MetaMask rewards was built to complete rewards on the MetaMask ecosystem, which, by the way, you can see now on the screen, and you can go and participate. Make sure to go and utilize the code that you see on the screen now to go and get your MetaMask reward. Why? Because this code will give you, it's a participation code, and it will give you the retroactive points. If you are an OG user of MetaMask, if you did use MetaMask in the past, by using this code, it's kind of like a welcoming bonus for all the OG users. So make sure to go and use it. Make sure to go and grab your OG token. And I do have it, as you see from the screen. I do have the tokens from my OG because I did insert the code, the token. So make sure to go and insert the code as well and get the rewards OG. But as we see here, the MetaMask token has been announced but not released. So the rewards and the token are two different things. The reward, being a point system, will allow you to go and grab the token based on a point system mechanism, and you scale through the level. There's level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, etc. So, and you also get a bonus by signing up with the code that I did provide you on the screen. You get a 10% bonus. So make sure to go and grab it. But these are two different things. As we see here, the MetaMask token will be much bigger than the MetaMask rewards, and they are two completely different things. So the rewards on the MetaMask app is a allocation, for so to say, for the MetaMask token. The MetaMask token will be bigger, but to receive the MetaMask token, you need to go and do the actions in the app, such as swapping, perpetual, being part of the MetaMask community as a whole. Go and do 1 or 2 swaps a week. Like, be active over there. I know it's expensive. I know it's probably the most expensive swaps or bridge protocol out there, but in terms of point and in terms of what it can give you, is probably the best in terms of the amount back. So these are two different things. And how do you get the MetaMask token, as they're mentioning here? Well, super simple. As we said, the swaps and the bridge on the app, yes, but also the MetaMask card. The MetaMask card could be one of the most important things that you can do in terms of like utilizing a product to get then an airdrop. Like, that makes absolute sense that the rewards are given to the MetaMask card holders. Absolutely, yes. It makes 100% sense, and I would do it as well. So make sure to go and do it. Make sure to go and do everything that you see online in terms of MetaMask. Make sure that you do everything that you see online. But as well from MetaMask, which is probably overrated, not overrated, but like a lot of people are gonna be part of the MetaMask airdrop. The one thing that I do want you to focus about is over on the trading decks. Why? Because they are the niche of the moment. Like, Pacifica is gonna be huge in my opinion, and also Gravity. But the one thing that you don't see, why do I keep on with Gravity a lot? Well, Gravity, you don't see it mention it much in terms of the different tweets and users and affiliates and all that. Why? Because they probably don't get paid the same way that Aster or Lighter or the other one, the hype behind it. They're doing the 1 billion in trading volume every single day. Like, this is realistic that they could launch at a 1 billion in terms of points. 1 billion in terms of market cap. And Gravity over here, the point system that we already have and we receive every Tuesday, the points, as of right now in the open market, they go between $20 and $30. This is with a 50 million market cap in mind. In my opinion, it will actually go to 1 billion because the market is there. The 24-hour is there. And in terms of Pacifica as well, we can see here that if we do a quick search, I did find yesterday a graph that showcased more or less how much the points are worth it. For example, this one, it's a quick math in terms of the points. So if we launch at a 750 million fully diluted value, which is the market cap, and the airdrop is 30% of the total allocation goes to the airdrop participant, we see that 1 point is 40 cents. Now, they 20x all of your points. So this is actually really, really good. As I can see, I potentially have 40 cents. I got 10,000 tokens. That is about $4,000 just now, and we're not even live yet. So Pacifica, in my opinion, is super underrated. In terms of Hyperliquid instead, Hyperliquid will have Gravity will have 1 billion token supply. And Gravity, with 1 billion token supply, max, the points means that one token, if we launch at 1 billion, one token is $1. 1 billion fully delivered value. It's very realistic. So make sure to go and emphasize on this. Make sure to go and get your fair share of everything. Do not fade it. Do not miss it. It is extremely important. And right now, it is probably the best thing to go and do is to go and trade on Pacifica, to go and trade on Gravity. I'll leave you the link down below to go and join, but I will see you all in the next one. Ciao, guys.